In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate two sections in Carrd, a fundamental skill for anyone looking to organize and enhance their Carrd projects. Let's take a journey through the process, and by the end you'll be efficiently moving around your Carrd site like a pro. To start, you'll want to open your Carrd editor. If you're familiar with the interface, you'll know that having it open is your gateway to customizing your web page. Once you're in, your next move is to click on Add Element, which you'll find in the editor's toolkit. From there, you'll want to select the control option. This is going to be our conduit for creating sections within your site, allowing you to navigate smoothly from one part of your page to another without any hassle. With the control element selected, it's time to position it correctly. Drag and drop this element to the exact spot on your page where you'd like to create the new section. Think of this as placing a bookmark in a book. It serves as a visual indicator of where a specific section begins. After placing the element, you will set it to section break. This designation tells Carrd that this is a new section. Crucially, you'll need to give this section a name, and for today's purposes, we'll name it Content. Names are not merely labels here, they function as identifiers you will later use to navigate directly to this section. Once your new section is named, click on Done. Don't worry, we're not finished yet, this is just a checkpoint. Our next task is to create an easy way for visitors to reach the section you've just established. To do this, we're going back to Add Element, but this time we're selecting Button. This button will be the guide for users, leading them directly to your newly created section. Now you'll want to name the label on your button. Since we're working with the content section, that's also going to be the label of your button. Simple and straightforward. In the URL field that's part of the button setup, you'll enter not by content. This hash or hashtag symbol followed by the section name acts as a hyperlink within your site, magically guiding users straight to that part of the page. Finally, just click on Done. Take a moment to review your workspace, and once you're satisfied, hit Publish to make your site live. And there you have it, a polished, user-friendly navigation system on your Carrd site. Remember, clean navigation not only enhances the visitor experience, but also adds a layer of professionalism to your website. Happy designing, and I hope this tutorial has been insightful and empowering for your Carrd creations.